Hi guys, this is 2004 Toyota Camry. So 2006. So I'm going to today adjust for the handbrake cable. This is model is ACR36. So this one to tight in the handbrake. You can see. So we have to off this part and adjust in here the 10mm bolt. First lift up this part. You can see in here the two 10mm bolt. So I put the one in here. So loosen. And break down and loosen the button bolt. Okay, now try the handbrake up. You can see the notches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's enough. Okay, put down this bolt and the lock it. Okay, we lock the nuts. So all good. So then we have to put back this cover. Get it up. Down. Okay, so this is just the handbrake cable in here. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching my videos. We see you in the next one.